Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have an Android phone, there's a new privacy feature you should know about. Recently, Google introduced new ad privacy settings on many Android devices. Most people don't even realize they're there because there's no new app icon, no notification, and nothing obvious on the home screen. The feature is simply added to your phone's settings. These settings are related to how apps and websites can use information about your activity to personalize ads. The good news is that you can review these settings yourself and decide what information you'd like to share. In today's video, I'll show you where to find these new privacy settings, explain what each one does, and how to turn them off if you prefer a more private experience. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google. Next, tap All Services. Now scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and tap Ads. Scroll down a little. If you've watched my previous videos, you probably remember the Advertising ID settings. You can still tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm your choice. Then tap Delete Advertising ID if you'd like to reduce personalized advertising. Next, you will notice a newer option called Ad Privacy. Tap on it. First, tap Add Topics. This feature allows Android to group your interests based on how you use supported apps. These interest categories can be used to help apps show ads that are more relevant to you. If you don't want your interest to be used for this purpose, simply turn this option off. Now go back. Next, open App Suggested Ads. This setting allows supported apps to suggest advertising information based on your activity within those apps. If you prefer not to allow this, you can turn this option off as well. Now go back once more. Finally, tap Ad Measurement. This feature helps measure whether advertising campaigns are effective, such as whether an ad resulted in an app install or another action, while using privacy-preserving technologies. If you don't want your device participating in this type of ad measurement, you can turn this option off too. These same privacy controls are also available in Google Chrome. Let me show you where to find them. Open Google Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security, then open Ad Privacy. Here you'll find the same three options, but they apply to your browsing experience in Chrome. Before we continue, it's important to understand what these settings do. They don't give advertisers access to everything you do on your phone or every website you visit. Instead, they're designed to support interest-based advertising using privacy-focused technologies. Whether you leave these settings on or turn them off is entirely your choice. If you prefer to limit personalized advertising, you can disable all three options. And that's it. These are the new ad privacy settings that many Android users don't even know exist. Take a few minutes to review them and choose the options that best match your privacy preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether these settings were already enabled on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.